To manage Bill4Time payroll integration effectively, start by understanding the basics of the system. Bill4Time is a time tracking and billing software that allows users to track time spent on projects and generate invoices. The payroll integration feature enables seamless payment processing for employees and contractors. First, set up your payroll integration by navigating to the Settings menu in Bill4Time and selecting the Payroll option. Choose your preferred payroll provider from the list of available integrations, such as QuickBooks or Paychex. Follow the prompts to connect your payroll account to Bill4Time. Next, configure your payroll settings by specifying the pay period, pay rate, and other relevant details for each employee or contractor. Ensure that all employees and contractors are set up with the correct pay rates and classifications to avoid errors in payroll processing. To track time worked by employees and contractors, use the time tracking feature in Bill4Time. This feature allows users to log time spent on projects and tasks, which can then be used to generate payroll reports. Regularly review and approve time entries to ensure accuracy and completeness. When running payroll, use the payroll report feature in Bill4Time to generate a report of hours worked and corresponding pay amounts. Review the report for accuracy and make any necessary adjustments before processing payroll through your integrated payroll provider. Best practices for managing Bill4Time payroll integration include regularly reviewing and updating payroll settings, ensuring accurate time tracking, and processing payroll in a timely manner. It is also essential to maintain compliance with relevant laws and regulations, such as tax withholding and labor laws. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your Bill4Time payroll integration, streamline your payroll processing, and reduce errors. This will save you time and resources, allowing you to focus on growing your business and improving productivity.